Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another fun video, and just like the title says, I will be showing you guys some smart and easy ways to successfully sneak some delicious pizza into class, because why not? Who doesn't love pizza? Well, stay tuned for that. So here's the deal guys, as soon as this video gets 10,000 likes, I will give away a brand new Nintendo Switch to someone from the comments. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me what your favorite type of pizza is. Again guys, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and have your notifications on, just in case you win, you'll know sooner. Alright then, with all that being said, let's get these hacks going. Check it out. Alright, let's get started guys, and here I have a pizza that I just took out of the oven. You might think from your view right now guys that it's burnt, but it's supposed to look that way. It's not burnt and it's really good actually, but I want to sneak this into class. So a good way to do that is to use supplies that you already have, or maybe you need to buy some supplies that you don't have, but that's okay guys, it's totally worth it if you're trying to sneak some yummy pizza into class. So for this first one guys, I logged on to Amazon and I found this. Yeah, it looks like a giant crayon. It's a green crayon obviously, but if you open it, inside you are gonna find a bunch of crayons, colored pencils, and markers. So it's a really good bundle if you were to buy this. I got this for $11. But if you choose to do this guys, you can repeat this process over and over again. So let me put my pizza aside for now and work on this box right here. So this crayon box guys, we are gonna be removing every single item that's in here. Oh, okay, I forgot to mention that also on top, on the tip, you get a little sharpener. But again, we don't need this. So let's get rid of all the stuff that's in there. As you guys can see right here, no more crayons, no more markers, no more colored pencils. It's completely empty. What we need to do now guys is get rid of the plastic in the center. Not the sides, for example this right here, we need to leave that intact. But as you guys can see, the sections where the crayons and colored pencils were, we need to cut off. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna follow along the edge and remove this plastic as we do not need it. Alright guys, so I removed the plastic on one side. So what you did to one side, you do to the other. So that's what we're gonna do again. Let's get rid of this side. Alright, and there goes the second part of this. Now it's pretty hollow in there. So now let's get our pizza ready guys so we can take it into class. Alright, let me get a slice of pizza. And it's only appropriate that I put it here, where the other tip is at. And then I think I can fit another pizza in there. Should I try to fit another pizza in there? I think so. There's our pizza guys. 3 slices of pizza. Close this up. Look at that guys. You have this on top of your desk or inside your backpack and you take it out from time to time. All you do is just open it and you have some pizza there that you can enjoy. If you have a couple friends, you can share the other 2 slices with, or if you're really that hungry, keep them for yourself. Fill up that belly guys. Do not starve in class. This right here guys is a pencil case. I used it in my last video and I got this for 50 cents at Walmart, and you guys might get lucky too and get it on sale, usually around back to school season. Well anyway, if you were to open it, you would find pencils, pens, and markers. Well, we don't need the contents inside, we just need the pencil case. So we're gonna get rid of all the supplies that are in there and have this be empty. And if you must, please clean it up as your pizza will be going in there. Now you might think, how is a pizza gonna fit in this little box right here? Well, first of all, I wouldn't call it little because, look, I'm gonna remove the cover and see, it's quite large guys. It might not be wide, but it's actually pretty long. So my pizza of choice will be this squared one right here guys. I actually just took it out of the oven and I'm gonna cut it to size so that it fits inside this pencil case. So if you must, measure it guys and then just start cutting away. I'm gonna take my trusty knife. Alright, we just cut ourselves a piece. Look at that. There's our pizza, and nobody ever said that pizza had to be round, right? We have our piece that we can actually put inside our pencil case. Now this piece of pizza guys can actually keep you from starving in class. You might not think it's sufficient, but it'll do the job guys. If you try to do this, put it back inside the cover like so. And for this situation, try to wear a long sleeve shirt, as you will tuck the pencil case inside, obviously, so the teacher doesn't see it. And that's it, guys. Just keep it under your sleeve. From a bird's eye view, you can't even tell that I have anything underneath, right? But I do. And I'm gonna enjoy my pizza just by pulling out the pencil case. And see, guys? It's on the palm of my hand. And I can actually enjoy this delicious pizza in class. Little by little, it'll be gone within minutes. Now, since I still have pizza left over, for example, this little square right here, I'm gonna use it and try to sneak it into class with one of these. This is another plastic crayon box. This one only fits 24, but it'll get the job done, guys. Now, you might think that because it's transparent, it won't, but I'll show you just how good this can play out if you do it right. So, I'm gonna keep this handy on the side, but for now, I'm gonna cut a piece of this pizza. Look at that. So this is the pizza that I'm gonna be sneaking into class. So this I'm gonna cut in half again because it will fit 2 pieces of this size. I guess that each one would require 2 bites to actually eat. So I'm gonna stack them together like so. Becomes a little bit thick. And I'm gonna stash them inside this crayon box. Make sure it's clean though, guys. Just stash them in there and close it up. So your pizza's in there now, but obviously it's see-through, so if your teacher was to spot this on top of your desk, you'd be in trouble, right? Well, not to worry, guys, because here's a good way to disguise this, and your teacher will not be able to see it. All you need is a supplies box like this one. This actually looks like a lunchbox, and perhaps you guys have seen this before in previous videos of mine because that's where I actually use this box. As of right now, guys, it's empty. But not to worry because we're gonna put our pizza in there, which is inside a crayon box, and then we're just gonna cover it with crayons. That is it, guys. Make sure that it's easily accessible, but keep it in there. When you guys get hungry, resort to your pizza. Just close it up and that's it. But when you do get hungry, reach in there and get your pizza out and enjoy it. Now you might have to eat this really fast, but that's okay. The pieces are not that big. For this next one, let's say that you got one of these small pizzas. This is actually a great value pizza. It was like 4 for $2, so you know that's a steal at Walmart. Anyway, guys, you want to sneak this into class. One of my favorite methods to do that is in a large crayon box. For example, this one right here. But since this one is a bit more pricey, I'm not gonna tamper with it. I'm actually gonna use this one. I wouldn't say it's a knockoff, but it is a cheaper brand. So all we're gonna do, guys, is actually get rid of the crayons that are in there because we don't need the crayons. The inside has different compartments, so I'm just gonna remove these. Also, guys, one thing to take note of is that inside you will probably find a sharpener, which a lot of kids use to sharpen their crayons, so get rid of that one as well. And just like that, I'm getting rid of the sharpener. Now, guys, the inside is perfectly empty. Now all I do is I take my pizza and just stash it in there, just like this, guys. See? It'll be snug, but don't worry, it will close. So I'll just fold down the flaps and close it up. And that is it, guys. During class, keep this handy on your desk. Of course, you're gonna get hungry, especially if you have a long class. So all you do is open up the flaps, take out some of your pizza, and enjoy. Now, if this doesn't work for you, because after a while, guys, the box is actually gonna get greasy and it will eventually be no good for you. Luckily, I have one of these. This right here is made out of plastic and it will last you a long time. So if you need to, use one of these because I'm sure that you guys will not just get hungry that one day. You guys are probably gonna be hungry every single day of the week. So just put your pizza inside and close it up. That's it. Keep this on your desk. And no matter what, guys, if your teacher does spot this on top of your desk, they'll see that it's a box. And then once they get a closer look, they'll see that it says crayons on there. For example, this one right here. This one has the brand and it tells you the number of crayons that are in there, 64. Well, there's none of that. What you will find in there if you were to open this is a pizza. A yummy pizza that you guys can devour in class, and if you want to, you can share with your neighbors. But I wouldn't. It's all for me. Now, guys, I know what you're gonna say. Next, you're always using the same clipboard. Well, that is true, but I promise you guys that this is the last time that I'll be using this clipboard for anything related to sneaking food into class. Now the reason why I bring this out, guys, is because this could possibly be the best way to sneak a whole pizza into class. I'm not saying a large pizza, but a significant size pizza will actually fit in here. For example, let me undo this clip and open this up. You guys have seen the inside before. It's a large compartment in there. Well, I'm gonna take a pizza and put it right in there. Look at this, I got a pizza in there. I'm just gonna slide it out. And it might be a little too big, but that's fine. I can't help it, guys. I gotta eat the slice because it's not gonna fit in there completely. All right, now that I have room in there, I can actually close this up for you guys. And that's it. Look at that. You can't even tell I have a pizza in there. So if you have friends or you have that one girl or boy that you really like that sits in front of you, you might want to share a slice of pizza with them and actually win them over, because the road to somebody's heart is always through their stomach. So go ahead, guys, get a pizza, enjoy it yourself, or give a slice to somebody else. This is how easily you guys can sneak a pizza using a clipboard. Lastly, guys, I still have some pizza left, and this is the pizza that I used to sneak in using the clipboard. Well, I brought out the original box that it came in because I'm gonna put it back in there. If you do this, guys, slide it back in carefully. And now that it's in the box, you guys can take this box and actually tape it underneath your table or desk at school. So you might want to arrive early for this. I just advise that you guys leave a flap open, that way you can have easy access to your pizza. Alright, guys, as you guys can see, this is the bottom of the table, and I've taped the pizza underneath with obviously some tape. So if we were to look inside, we can see the pizza in there. And guys, if you're gonna be on your desk, you can easily just reach in there and grab your pizza and then slide it back in when you need to hide it. But that's pretty much it, guys. See, I'm gonna reach in there, grab me a slice of pizza, and enjoy.
And just like that, guys, you can successfully sneak all kinds of pizza into class for when you are hungry while you're at school. These methods are so simple that anyone can do them. Once this video gets 10,000 likes, I will give away a brand new Nintendo Switch to someone from the comments. So if you wish to enter this Nintendo Switch giveaway, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. Best of luck, guys. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.